We getting ready for the snowstorm.
Waking up to my heartbeat, accompanied by the rain. The soreness in my eyes is not very surprising. This room is still uncharted, but as soon as I get started, I'll send you an SOS. I'll wave like it's nobody's business. Give me some time to breathe, give me some time to speak, 'cause I know the truth inside. And I promise you this time, no bravado, no more strange, stupid games, just one motto. No more pain, all in vain, let your guard down. Call my name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado.
Yeah, this sucker is short fast, honey. Look, we all the workers, honey. Come back to work.
You left without warning, and now you're ignoring me. So what about us? What about all we had? Just send me an SOS. I'll run to you faster than lightning. Give me some time to breathe, give me some time to speak, 'cause I know the truth inside. And I promise you this time, no bravado, no more strange, stupid games, just one motto. No more pain, all in vain, let your guard down. Call my name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado.
Hey, you guys. It is currently 11:45 and it's Saturday. And we are supposed to be getting lots of snow tomorrow. Yay! So we are still up, like all the kids, as you can hear in the background. And we are getting ready to decorate some cupcakes. So tonight, we tried to do cauliflower soup, you guys, and it was a bust. It was a fail. It was not a success. We're supposed to be having cauliflower again, like the week after next, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove that from the menu because yeah, no, we'll probably do like meatballs and rice or something for that day. But yeah, we can't do that cauliflower soup no more because my kids looked at me like I was crazy, and so did my husband. So what?
None?
Why you shaking your head?
Oh, it was delicious.
You be the last one. But I'm super excited about the snow tomorrow, you guys. We're supposed to be getting like how many feet are we supposed to be getting, babe?
I think a foot, maybe 2.
Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, we're gonna be so warm and cozy. Hopefully we don't lose any power, because when I say we are totally not prepared for lost power, we are not prepared at all. But we are definitely prepared with all the snacks and all the food items and all of that stuff. I'm really excited. So tomorrow we're actually gonna do roast. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the roast into the crock pot like tonight, so it can cook overnight. It's gonna be nice and tender, and it's gonna be like the perfect comfort food. I'm gonna make the greens. So tomorrow all I have to do is make the collard greens. We're gonna do some collard greens.
It's gonna be smelling good up in here.
Yeah, it is. And
She burned the cupcakes.
No, I didn't, guys. So hold on. So you guys know we have egg allergies. Definitely too much oil. It's too much oil in here. Definitely. And that's partially my fault, because I ended up pouring the cake mix into the measuring cup, and the measuring cup actually had a little bit of oil in it. And I didn't realize it until I started pouring. So I was just like, oh Lord, oh Lord. We had to substitute the eggs with applesauce. So we tried that method, and we're about to find out how that did with the cupcakes. But it really feels kind of like mushy, like super mushy. So I don't know. I'm not really sure, guys. But we're about to find out. I think the kids will more so just enjoy the decorating part of the cupcakes. What do you think, babe?
Yes.
But I prepared them some little miniature piping bags over here. Me and babe, we're gonna do some little decorating as well. And yeah, it'll just be like a little late night Saturday vibe activity for them to do. You guys, as you've seen in the earlier clips today, I went to Sam's Club with my sisters, and like, I didn't really have to go, but I just needed to get like a few items to make our pot roast. But I ended up getting like quite a bit. First of all, I went to the store hungry. Like, I didn't eat any breakfast this morning. And so as I'm walking around,
pot roast $300 later.
as I'm walking around, I'm like, ooh, this look good. And you know, when you hungry and you grocery shopping, everything look good. So I was just like, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna get that right there. Like, I literally ended up spending like $200 extra today, and it was just totally unnecessary. But I feel secure because, I don't know, it's something about having a fully stocked house with food and all of that good stuff. It just makes you feel good, you know? Roastisha is up in the what? Cook it in the crock pot. We're gonna put her on low. We're gonna do low for 10 hours. She's gonna be cooking all night. All night. Babe's making breakfast. What you making, babe?
I'm just grinding the sausage.
You just grinding the
I'm gonna
sausage.
stick these biscuits in the oven.
Ooh.
You gonna make the heavy lifting for me stuff.
Okay. All right. All right. Look, guys, dinner. Ooh, it looks like it's done.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Don't pay my little configuration here no mind. The top broke. Let's take a look at it. Ooh. It smells so good. So this needs to last us for today and tomorrow. Ooh.
Not happy.
You is cooking the elf out of that sausage. I am getting ready to make some pancakes for the kids. I'm going to be using some of this in it. This is...
I made 12 pancakes with what I got in there right now.
This home-style pancake and waffle mix. Light and fluffy. I'm going to use that with some of this. And I'm going to make them some sausage. I was trying to find some of the Angel Mamas or whatever that brand is called, but y'all know how it gets when it's like calling for snow. When they're calling for snow.
What's crazy though is that I just did not see the brand, period.
It was probably sold out, babe. The kids are over there watching the tablets. What y'all looking at, guys?
I don't know what it's called.
You don't know?
I know it's called Jivion.
Jivion.
It's called that.
Oh, God. So this is 2 cups.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
Y'all, I tried to teach the kids. We're trying to teach the kids how to cut with a fork and knife. Well, properly cut their food up. We have a lot of work to do, but they understand the drift. Yep, you want some syrup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just leave.
It's good.
Yep.
You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So,
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
so why is that this milk syrup? Oh my god.
It's too thick.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we
Kids just came
have.
back in from outside playing in the
Look
snow.
what I found, guys.
Ooh. Did y'all have fun out there?
I found an ice cube.
Your nose is running. So we are about to, well, Daddy's making hot cocoa. No, we do not have the proper cup nation.
I want that one.
That's a
I want this
lot.
one. This is milk. It's chocolate.
Making some gravy for the roast and the mashed potatoes.
Right around in 4 wheels.
Babe's plate. Y'all make sure y'all go watch my recipe video on my cooking channel if you want to know how to make this roast. It's so good.
So good. So good.
Hush. Okay, taste the roast, babe. Yeah, I don't usually make greens, but I mean I do make greens, but I haven't made them in like some years. You ain't gonna put no
I gotta get a little mashed potato with it.
mashed potatoes. Okay, taste the collard greens.
You gotta put the pepperoni cheese in it.
Okay.
Come on. Come back.
They're not your mama's greens, okay? It might be a little tough too. Sorry.
Hello. I thought you was gonna help me.
I don't
They're
have
not
no.
that salty and vinegary, they're good.
No, I didn't want them to be salty. Okay, perfect. Is it good?
Probably want some corn.
You want some cornbread? Yes. So we teaching the kids how to play.
I already know how to play. I did not know how to play.
Teaching the kids how to play Michaela. What y'all know about Michaela?
What in the... Whatever.
Where you laying? Where'd you land? Right here, pick that up. One right there. Stop, boy. One right there. Pick those up. The kids are in the bed. We are just vibing out on the couch. You okay, babe? I just got done editing a video for my cooking channel. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my cooking channel. Alright, hey cooks. We starting from the bottom and we gonna be there soon and very soon, okay? Mark my words. Mark my words. Hey y'all. Don't pay no attention to my hair, girl. Like what? It's literally been balled up like this all day, okay?
All day.
You tired of it? You tired of it? Because what is your hair doing right now?
Being itself.
My hair's being itself too. Y'all look, my face is breaking out. So y'all know what that means, right? What that mean, Bram?
It means you need some big. I'm sorry.
Let's try that again. What that mean, babe? My face been breaking out. What that mean?
You're going through puberty.
He gets on my nerves. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. When was the last time I actually ended a vlog, you guys? It's been a minute. Like I just been cutting the videos off. Like outro. But I'm going to properly end the vlog. So before I end the vlog though, I do my hair, like y'all can see like all the ratchet hair and everything. Like, ooh. Okay, let me do this. Let me do it the right way. Oh wait, I got a hair bow back there. Oh shoot, y'all, excuse me. Hold on one second. Okay, you guys, this is like a little better. Just a little bit, maybe. I don't know. But before I end this video, I want to thank all of my new subscribers for joining the LK family. Babe, can you welcome the new subscribers, please?
My bad. I'm gonna say something off topic. What channel is
This is LK Reality TV.
Welcome all new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Be sure to turn on those post notifications and you will be sure to be entertained. Don't I look entertaining?
No, actually, we're not very, like,
Yes.
we are entertaining people, naturally. Babe, I got a question. Babe.
Yeah.
I got a quick question.
What's up? I've already cleaned the kitchen. I've already changed the diaper. I already took out the trash. No.
No, it's a question. It's about your foot.
What?
Why your toenail look so invisible?
What you want, my pinky? When I cut it, that's just what it do.
Damn.
But in all my years, it has stayed intact. I just cut it though.
My God.
Please redirect the camera down there. Oh, she confident. She
No,
shows
my-
off her
no.
pinky toenail.
No.
Look,
I know.
she walk up in there. Tell your man no. Now you want me paint nail? There's no nail. What nail? I'm gonna paint no skin. Oh, honey.
What they be like?
They run the brush across your pinky toe one time, just to make you feel like there's a toenail there.
Oh, God. Goodbye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way